There aren't as many boxes in the studio this month as you'd understand. But welcome back to another episode of STU'S Reviews Unboxing. Before I dive in and open a box, I've got an announcement to make. We are all bored stuck in lockdown, including myself. So I'm going to do a live STU'S Reviews episode. It's going to be a little bit different, and it's going to be more like the sort of thing I'd normally do for my patrons, but I'm going to do it for everyone because we're all on lockdown, and hopefully I can waste at least an hour of your time. Now, I'm going to be doing this over on Twitch. I'll be sitting down talking to you about past episodes of STU'S Reviews, and we might even watch a couple. But alongside that, I'm going to pair each episode up with a fantastic selection of whiskies. And we'll talk about whiskey as well. So the idea is you guys can pour yourself a drink of whiskey, hopefully, if you've got whiskey, or rum, or G&T, or orange juice, whatever you want. But if you join me over on Twitch, we can have a live chat, we can have a discussion, you can ask me anything, and we can watch some episodes of STU'S Reviews together whilst getting drunk. No, naughty, not drunk. Having a drink of whiskey. Anyway, that is happening tomorrow, Saturday the 11th, that'll be, Saturday the 11th. So join me over on Twitch at 8:30 PM GMT time. So I'm sorry if that's in America about 9 in the morning. Probably not the best time to have some whiskey. But I'll leave a link in the description below to the Twitch channel where you can check us out live on Saturday. So, now that that's done, I'll see you on Saturday. Let's open this. Now, obviously, it's a bit of a shorter month this month in terms of boxes because everywhere's on lockdown, no one's sending some stuff out. So what's the first thing I've been sent is... what? Snow Mountain Humidifier. That's a neat looking little device. Soak the sponge to 3 of 5. Well, I think I've got to put some water in this. That's plugged in. I'm going to leave that for a few minutes because it does say I've got to let this sponge soak for 3 to 5 minutes before I use it. So I'll move on. What have we got? Oh, more Tech-In smart plugs. I'm pretty certain every episode of STU'S Reviews Unboxing I get sent Tech-In smart plugs. These ones are round. I'd say they're quite slimline though as well. They go straight out rather than going down, so that's a bit of a benefit. Not bad. Might work in certain locations, but if you're in a tight scenario, it might not work. Okay, they're alright, they're nice enough. What the hell? Portable deep UV LED sterilizer lamp. Very relevant. Portable deep UV sterilizer. This is very, very different. Look at that. Oh, it's okay. Connects to a phone. If I plug this in then. Oh, look at this. Yeah. I think this means I must be able to see all of the dirty things inside hotels now. What is this supposed to do? It's just a black light. Right, here we go. Principles of sterilisation. Ultraviolet light destroys the DNA or DNA molecular structure in bacteria. Kills 99.99% of bacteria without chemicals. If that works, if that actually does work, then yeah, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Obviously, I can't verify because I haven't got one of those expensive bacteria testing kits. Can't say I don't like it because it's a neat design. Very cool. Right, hopefully this now will have charged up at least some, so let's give this a go. Turn it on. Oh, there we are. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's really cold. Oh, that's lovely. It's like a witch's cauldron. Okay, that's enough of that. Well, yeah, okay. It's a neat looking device. I can't fault the actual design. I don't necessarily need a humidifier because I do live in Wales, which is the wettest country in the world. Next parcel. We have got... oh! What do you know? Tech-in smart plugs. I told you, I get about 60 Tech-in smart plugs every month. This is getting ridiculous. Look, it's even the exact same ones. I've been sent another 4 of the same plug. Let's go into this one. This is one of the only ones that looks like it hasn't been sent from Amazon sellers. How the hell am I supposed to get into this? Let's have a look at these. Well, okay, these are interesting. Funkle, the Funkle AI. They look very, very similar to a brand we shall not name. Funkle, not sure on the name. Micro USB charging, so down points for that one. Please have some charge. They look nice, I will give them that. Yeah, I must say, I actually really like the design of these so far. That is really neat. It looks good, and the little light on the bottom is quite fun as well. I like that. Disappointingly, they have 0 charge. So I'm going to have to put these on charge for 10 minutes. We're pretty much halfway through. So I'm just going to take a quick break and say a massive thanks to all my current patrons. You guys are ace. Thank you very much to my new patrons as well this month. There's quite a few of you. So joining the bronze tier, we've got Carl Phillips, Matt Dixon, Nigel Lever, Colin Kay, John Morgan, and for the silver tier, we've got Lee Theris. Thank you very much, guys. Welcome to the Whisky Club over on Patreon, and a massive shout out to everyone who's currently a member over there, because last month's car boot sale, if you watched last month's unboxing, you'll know exactly what that was. We raised nearly £20 for Parkinson's UK, Parkinson's UK, the charity. Now obviously this month we're doing the car boot sale again, but I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out the video showing what's available this month and showing you how much the items went for last month. So if you want to get your hands on some really cheap tech that we're getting rid of, take a look in the description at that video. Right, next thing, we're looking at this. What the hell is this? What is that? World's first quick drying smart handy printer, the Celpic S1. Oh, this could be fun. I think this is going to require some reading. Cartridge. Okay, Whisky Live 8:30 Saturday 11th of April. Okay then, so if I hit print, sending successed, I don't know, do I? Oh, it worked, it printed it! Oh, this sort of thing excites me. Right, watch this. Whisky Live 8:30 Saturday at 11. Look, I can do it again. No, I can't. Okay, so I think I have to press this button every time I want to print, but it should just go. That is incredible. That is just ace. What? That is unbelievable. You could probably do with sort of playing around with this a little bit more. It says I can print on anything. I've got a hand here. Let's try this. They lied to me. No, the hand didn't work. Never mind. I've got an old silicone case here. Let's see if that works. Oh, it works. It's on there in full sentence. You have to see this. Whether or not it rubs off, I don't know, but I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes and see what goes on. But that is top marks from me. I just think that is such a cool little gadget. Love that. Let's go back to the Funkle and see what the Funkle are like. What the Funkle sound like. Comfort wise, they're very light. I can imagine these falling out a little bit easy. Didn't fit that well in my ears. I might need to change the ends. Okay. Yep. I'm afraid for me, it's a bit of a disappointment actually. I would say that the bass just isn't there. I was really hoping that these would be good because they actually look quite nice, but unfortunately, as I said, The bass just isn't there. It's a very crisp sound, which some people might like, but myself, not necessarily for me. I think it's too crispy, the sound. Never mind, not a problem. Right, on to the next one. Okay. We've got an LED projector, which is apparently already open. LED projector. Hold on, this looks very similar to one I've already had. This is identical, I'm almost certain of it. I'm going to have to go back and find out whether or not I have had a look at this before, because it looks very, 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 very familiar. Right, what have we got here? Come on, give me something unusual and fun. This, I had 2 projectors last month. I've got 2 projectors this. What is... I've only done one review of a projector that I thought was really quite cool. That was the Laserbeam Pro. That was an awesome little projector. This looks different. As you can see here, the hues and colours are completely off. Now I'm connecting this currently through my MacBook using USB-C to HDMI. That picture worked, but is completely wrong. I tried connecting to my phone to play it, and, well, it didn't work either. It just played the picture, and then the picture didn't actually move. The sound was working, but the image kind of paused. So overall, I'm having some issues with this projector straight off the bat there. It's certainly not the simplest to use anyway. Right, this is the last one, I believe. Can this beat the printer? That is the biggest question. Ooh, okay, right. We've got headphones by a company called Cedar. Now, I have used Cedar stuff before. I think it was their E5s? C5s? I can't remember. But they were very good over-the-ear headphones. I was very, very impressed. So I'm hoping that these are going to be just as good. Let's get them out and have a listen. Ooh. It's kind of like a leathery... Don't know if it's real. Okay. Hasn't got a real leather mark anywhere. Oh, these look nice. Very, very similar to the other ones, actually. They've got this kind of concentric circle design on here, which probably isn't that noticeable on camera, but it is quite noticeable in person. It's nice, I like it. Okay, left and right. Let's turn these on and have a listen. Yeah, it is good. It's, yeah, a very, very warm sound. Do you know what? These are very good. I'd say these are just as good as the other ones I've tried. And these have active noise cancelling as well. This is... Yeah, I like this. Very good. They've done a very good job there. Another good cracking pair of headphones. Nice design. Simplistic. What more could you ask for? Let's pop them away and have a listen to the style I haven't tried from Cedar before. These. 2 pairs of headphones I've tried from Cedar that I have enjoyed. This is a different style. Okay, big case, but has to be for one of those sports style headphones. Not very rigid. Right, let's give these a go. Oh, the battery's quite cool on here. It shows how much on a little display. I like that. Right, let's have a listen. Yeah? Okay. These are good. They're good. I wouldn't say they're phenomenal. I mean, those Feel ones I tried last month, they were phenomenal. They were just amazing. I mean, if I bought these and had a listen, I wouldn't be disappointed, but I wouldn't say they're anything super spectacular. I would say that their larger headphones are much better, but these aren't that bad. They haven't missed the mark. There's the little display on the bottom. Ooh, it's quite good. I would give them 6.5, maybe going towards a 7 out of 10 for these. For the larger ones, I'd probably say they get a 7.5 out of 10. Much better. Right, that is everything. We're done. I told you it was going to be a bit of a shorter month, but you're all wondering now which one of these products this month has won. April unboxing. Well, I would say, I think you probably all can guess by now, but this the Selpic S1. I just think it's such a cool gadget, and it's stuff like this that makes me smile, because it's just a bit weird, a bit funky, and it works so well. I mean, I've printed loads of stuff on the back of the box there, but do you know what? This wins, because I'm sure for someone that is going to fill a need. Me personally, not so much, but I can still appreciate how much of a cool gadget that is. I really like it. It's like a Dymo label printer for the future. So that wins April's unboxing. But that pretty much concludes today's video. Guys, just to remind you, I am going live tomorrow night, or tonight if you're watching this on Saturday morning. So that is Saturday the 11th at 8:30 p.m. over on Twitch. So I'll see you over there. Pour yourself a glass of whiskey, because we'll be talking all about whiskey, having a chat, and you guys can pretty much ask me anything. And I'll be reviewing some old episodes and an episode that none of you will have seen. Well, you might have done, but it's a really old one, and it's got nothing to do with tech. So that'll be a really interesting one to show you. It's highly embarrassing, and I have no idea why I made it, but hey, there you go. Anyway, thank you very much for joining. If you liked today's video, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you back for another episode of STU'S Reviews soon.